Did you have an unprotected sex and wondering when you should take a pregnancy test to find out whether you're pregnant or not? Then this video is for you. Hello everyone, this is Dr. Santoshi Nandigam, consultant obstetrician and gynecologist. Now, have you wondered what is tested for in your urine pregnancy kit? It's the hormone which is beta HCG. So for you to know when to actually test for pregnancy, you need to know the order of events that happens in the formation of a pregnancy. One is ovulation, that is, your egg is released into the fallopian tube and waits for the sperm. The second is fertilization, where the sperm meets the egg, fertilization happens, and it is called as a fertilized egg. The third is implantation. For the fertilized egg to actually stick to your uterine lining, this process is called as implantation. And the fourth is the formation of the embryo or formation of the baby. Now, once the baby starts to form, there are certain cells in the baby which release beta HCG hormone into the circulation. Now, all of this order actually takes some time. So, if you ask me, if you had an unprotected sex today, can you test for pregnancy tomorrow? No, nothing is coming to be positive. It will take at least 10 to 14 days of time for the whole process to finish and beta HCG to be secreted in the blood and eventually into the urine. Now, this 10 to 14 day rule applies to women who have regular menstrual cycles, that is regular 28 to 30 day menstrual cycles. So some women do have irregular cycles, some women do have cycles which are longer than 30 days, and some women do have cycles lesser than 24 days or less than 25-26 days. So it doesn't apply universally, but someone with regular menstrual cycles, 10 to 14 days is the minimum time that is required for testing for pregnancy and for the beta HCG to be detected in urine. Now, if you're someone with regular cycles but extremely anxious, don't want to wait for 14 days, what you can actually do is do a blood beta HCG test, that is serum beta HCG. So in the blood, the beta HCG is detected at least close to 5 to 7 days earlier than the urine. So probably around your 22nd or 23rd day of your cycle. So blood beta HCG comes out to be positive and it is more sensitive than the urine beta HCG test. Now, I think I've cleared all your questions related to when to test for pregnancy after sex. If you have any further questions, you can drop down in the comments and I'll answer them personally. Thank you very much.